How to install the on-screen hardware when your TV source is a cable or streaming box connected with an HDMI cable. Each device comes with a base unit, HDMI cable, and charging cable. On the bottom of the base unit, you'll find two adjustable legs and a stabilizing lip in the front. Flip open all three pieces and place the device on top of your TV or at a location of your choice. Adjust the components as needed to ensure a snug fit. You can also utilize sticky tape to further secure the device. Next, locate the HDMI cable that is connected to your satellite, cable, or streaming box. Carefully unplug that HDMI cable from your TV only. Make sure to take note which HDMI port it was plugged into. Then, using the same cable, plug it into the HDMI in port of the on-screen device. Next, take the HDMI cable that came with your on-screen device. Plug one end into the on-screen's HDMI out port and the other into your TV's HDMI port you noted earlier. Plug the charging cable into the base unit and then into a power source. Also make sure the camera privacy cover is open by gently scrolling down on the roller located on the side of the camera. After the hardware is connected and in place, continue the installation using your mobile device.